Welcome back. I'll show you some pieces of code, how to analyze and how to find the time complexity. Time complexity depends on how many times each statement executes, not equal to the actual time required to execute the particular code. The degree of polynomial involved in algorithm structure. The degree of polynomial affects the algorithm efficiency. I have not written complete algorithm, just written piece of code. Like here code, printf statement, this is the simple C program. Main function, that is the entry point for execution, and printf hello deba. Print the statement hello deba, return 0. Time complexity in the above code hello deba is printed only once on the console, mean screen, that is only one time. So the time complexity is constant, that is order of 1. Every time a constant amount of time is required to execute this code, no matter which operating system or which machine configurations you are using. Next come to time complexity order of n. This is simple loop, for loop. I equal to 0, when starting from 0, and condition, this is the condition, I less than, and I is being increment by 1. So I is incremented by 1. This is the statement. For loop executes n plus 1 times, and a statement execute, this one the statement execute n times. This is the order of n. So time complexity order of n. Now come to next loop. Here I starting from n, and condition I should be greater than 0. I is decremented by 1. This time also statement execute n times. So order of n. Whether we go 1 to 10 or 10 to 1, complexity is order of n. Another simple for loop, this one, starting from 1, condition I, and I is being incremented by 2. This statement not execute n times, but half of n times. So execute n by 2 times. in the function of fn equal to n by 2, then what is the degree of polynomial? That is also only n. So order is also n. In this case also order of O n. So time complexity order of n. Even it is incremented by 10, just you think I equal to I plus 10, then function will be fn equal to n by 10. Degree of polynomial also n, that is the degree of polynomial. So increment by any number, but order of complexity will be n. This is the simple C language. Main function, entry point, for loop starting from 1 and I less than equal to 5, that is the condition, are incremented by 1. So this for loop to print hello Deva, how many times? 5 times. So it's a order of n time complexity. Upcoming video, nested loop, we will familiar with that loop and we will analyze and also how to find the time complexity. Thanks.